Hello, today I will teach the chamfer command in OnShape. So I have opened up my example for extrude, and you can find that in the upper right hand corner. I will include a card up there for you to click on if you haven't watched that video already. So chamfer, let's go over here, chamfer, and let's choose our entity to chamfer. So on edge, and we can change our distance here. Oops. Let's change that to 5. This shows the common chamfer. We have different types of chamfers. We have chamfer type. We have equal distance. What this equal distance means is it's 5 millimeters in X and Y. So this is our 5 millimeters here and 5 millimeters here. So we can change that. We can go over here to equal distance or change it to 2 distances. So we can actually change this to like 10 millimeters and then 5 millimeters for the second one. And then if you don't like this way, you can flip it. So we can go the other way. So there's 2 distances, and then we can go over here to distance and angle. And let's say we wanted 5 millimeters and we knew we needed a 75-degree angle. We could type in 75 in here. And let's say we wanted to flip that, and we can do it and get it to look like that. So we can do this on each of these edges if we wanted to. Let's try that again. Chamfer. We're going to do equal distance, or we're going to do distance and angle 5 millimeters by 75 degrees. We're going to click on our edges here, and we can see each one of these is creating a chamfer. I accidentally clicked on the top surface. We can, you see it says face of extruded. We can just click on the little X to get out of there, and we can click on continue to click on these edges individually, and it will chamfer them. So it doesn't like that last one. It's like not allowing us to do that last one. So what I can do is just say okay, and I can add that one again like this. So click on that, and then I can change it to 75 again, flip it, and that fixes that one. And that concludes our chamfer video. Thanks for watching.